Walksnail, well done. 20 by 20, and you've put M3 holes in. I mean, what the hell? Alright, RC Addict, it's been a long time since I've spoke. Look at the weather, man, the wind. New build, yeah, you know I love these frames, these ST35 GEP RC frames. They're like £30, you can get from your FPV. Anyway, they fit. I mean, look at the holes in the bottom. They could, right, so I've got a 20 stack at the back, but underneath there is just my Diversity Express LRS antenna. On top is the F722 flight controller, and then at the front is the Mamba 1 to 8K ESC. Now, true RC antenna, capacitor at the back, T-motor 1404s, Joshua Bardwell, Phoenix 2 edition, blah 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 blah. This was going to be Walksnail, this was going to be the new V3 version, right? But Walksnail, well done. 20 by 20, and you've put M3 holes in. I mean, what the hell? So I couldn't do it. It's got 2020 mounting on the tops, and look, you can see the Rush Tank Solo in there. It goes all the way to the front, and the Rush Tank Solo is about the same size, but it sticks out. It would stick out the same. And the reason I've split the stack up like that is so I could get the Rush Tank kit. Well, originally the Walksnail. So this has got 4.4.2 on it, right? I've put the Mouse FPV tune on it, and it's not the AO whatever one. It's the 4-cell braced Mouse FPV tune. Okay, all I've done is alter the dynamic idle to 40. With your dynamic idle, right, when you're running bi-directional D-shot, and you should be D-shot 600 8K on a F7 processor, yeah. So anyway, basically, right, if you want to test it, just go up and zero throttle it and see how quickly it falls. If it falls like a brick, don't, you know, go up a notch from 35, 36, 37, 38, 30. This is about 42, I think. I can't remember, but that's the only thing I altered. Anyway, check this out. There's nothing fancy, flippy, doolah day, yeah, right? But check it out. I mean, this is fast. It's bloody fast. I mean, you know, and. Well, anyway, check it out. Seriously, I am gunning that drone, yeah, and there is not one bit of prop wash. There is not one the PID from that Mouse FPV is perfecto. Seriously, there's not one like bobble. There's not one like the gains. It's perfect. Mouse FPV, you are a friggin' genius. I love you. Listen guys, if you're going to get Walksnail, right, watch this video down there in the description. Once you've seen Walksnail, flying analog is like, it's kind of like taking drugs for the first time. Contemplation and pre-contemplation. Pre-contemplation is the circle of, I can't remember, but so you've got pre-contemplation is where you're at the beginning, you're thinking about it, and you're like, wow, acid, you know what I mean? People have told me that, you know, you can see writing on the floor, which you can, yeah, blah, blah, blah. But then there's contemplation, and once you've done contemplation, which is the next one, that's when you've done it, and you can never go back to pre-contemplation, alright? So, once you've seen digital, analog, well, I don't know. Oh, enjoy the friggin' video, sorry. If you can see one bobble, or one little bit of prop bosh in this, in bad wind, then drop me a line.
What's man like JK, where have you been? I was the best man when D2 got married. The pool bear out when debts got carried. I lost count of times that I got ballied and risked my freedom for pricks. Yeah, it was inside me, a rim dress got padded. Told him strap bars, don't stay strallied. All of the hype on roads invalid, don't risk your freedom for this. Yeah, now you're back inside looking at a big white soul. Holler me fam if you need anything. I know how it goes cause I've been on the wing. Yeah, I was with Hecky and Keem on the wing. Had it on lock before I got locked. Nearly at the top, yeah, I've been in the brink. These bitches wanna go to the club, tell them go back home, go clean up your sink. If you think JK ain't saying anything, walk in New York, go straight to the fridge. Build that shit now, breaking the bridge. When I come small, leave to a straight at the bridge. So leave him when I'm taking the piss. Got all the bullshit straight to the piss. I was the guy that stood up and told charge when phase in the brain of a ridge. I was the guy that jumped out the car and ran down the guy that was stabbing up socks. I was the guy outside wind down who got stabbed up and everybody watch now, everybody watch. Everybody get down, everybody drop. Seen MCs getting friendly with the cops. Yo, when will it stop now? Fuck that, I'll put an end to the lot. If you want me, then you better pay me though. This JK's not Jay-Z's flow. This a shop work cause it made me though. That's a little man thing like a baby grow. Phone of the boys in jail in the background, I can hear me on the radio. I was the guy that told Soldier that you gotta let KD go. Now KD's gone. Hey yo, I feel that shit for his man and his mom. My man wanted to be like us, so we put on his shoes and we bring him along. I was in jail when my grandma died. Ain't gonna lie, but man, rock cried. From Tasmania, I've been doing this time for the past 10 years. When I ran our sides, it's real shit, and that's real shit. I wanna M4 straight from the dealership. I wanna rip from my city like Leisha did. I best watch them guys that I'm meeting with. Yeah, just wait to take the one piece of it. But my problems are the least of it. Yeah, what's the leader without leadership? I had to break fast like we a big man. Invading alone, yeah, you can know that. I can give my own back, off my own back. You can phone me, but I won't fall back. You don't owe me and I don't owe Jack. And it's cold out here, it's mine, you don't lack. No pitch out when you get a throwback. That's man who's got a problem with that. It's as simple as that. I used to wake up and not know what I'll do for the day. Till I had a youth on the way. I need a mansion now and a you gonna pay. No better get down, letting loose and I spray. I'm a boss with lyrics, I'm boss with digits. I'm the big boss and I'll squash these midgets. No filters, fam, need this ain't gimmicks. I might bring the six spot, this ain't Quidditch. I'm quite quick to flip it, rib cage with it. We've got problems, it ain't finished. Now make bread and I hold this thing. I'm best of both worlds, I'm mixed tracing it. Back then I never had a pot to piss in. Calm as a bitch, watch what you wishing. Inspiration become competition. I keep it real, so you got to listen to me. Oh yeah. Smalley.
If you've watched the whole video, thank you. You'll see that in 30 to 40 mph gusts of wind, there was no prop wash, no PID vibrations. Amazing. Mouse FPV, that tune. Wow. Absolute wow.